In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a font to your Hubspot website, templates, and modules. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to personalize their Hubspot site and stand out with their unique branding style. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot website. If you're not already signed in, look to the upper right corner of the page and click on the login button. For those of you using Google accounts, this process is straightforward. Simply choose the Sign in with Google option and select the account you wish to use. Once you've signed in, you'll be ready to get started. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Content section of your Hubspot account. You can find this option easily. It's usually within the main navigation menu once you're on the dashboard. Clicking on Content will lead you to the area where all your materials related to branding are managed. Once inside the Content section, your next destination is the Brand area. Click on Brand to proceed. This section is crucial because it houses all the elements associated with your brand identity, including logos, color schemes, and of course, fonts. It's the go-to spot for managing your site's overall look and feel. Scrolling down slightly, keep an eye out for the Brand Kit. This is where all your brand's vital components are grouped together. Here you'll find the Fonts option, which is what we'll be using to add and manage the various text styles on your site. Click into Fonts and you'll be greeted with a selection of font styles to choose from. Browse through the options until you find the font that best represents your brand or current project needs. Whether you're selecting a sophisticated serif or a modern sans serif, make sure it aligns with your brand's message and aesthetic. After picking the font that suits you, the final step is to click on Update. Doing so saves your selection, ensuring that your chosen font is applied across your HubSpot website, templates, and modules. This change will give your site a more cohesive and branded appearance, distinguishing it from standard options. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully added a new font to your HubSpot website, enhancing your brand's digital presence. Make sure to review your site afterward to ensure everything looks as expected and reflects your vision. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.